Hey, welcome back to CoolKidsArt, and let's draw the grenade launcher from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, we're going to start out in the middle, and this is going to be where the grenades are housed. So we're going to start out with just going to draw one rectangle. Okay, it's going to be a lot of these little rectangular shapes. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw another rectangle right here. We're just going to extend it. It's going to be a smaller one. And then here we're going to draw, just extend it, but it's slightly bigger. Okay, and then we're going to draw one more, just slightly bigger as well. Okay, and then from here, we're going to draw some lines in here. Okay, so this one's bigger, and then this one's going to be a little bit smaller. Okay, and then from here now we're going to draw the trigger and the grip. So for this part, just kind of pick right here. We're going to come straight back. I know it's a little bit tricky. And then we're going to draw right around here. Just kind of come down. This is actually going to be the grip. So we're going to come down a little bit. Now we're going to follow the same line here. We're going to close that off, and that's going to be the grip. And then now to draw the trigger itself, just draw one line going back to this. We're going to give this some thickness. And then now for the trigger, draw one little curve and another curve, and just kind of close it off. Okay, and then for the grip here, we're going to draw one line this way. This is now we're adding in some details now. Okay, and then from here we're going to follow. We're just going to draw some lines going this way, all the way back to the top. So we're just adding in some details, and there'll be a lot of details, and we can always add them in later. Okay, so from here, now we're going to draw one little triangle in here, rectangle. And now we're going to draw another one coming down, going back, down, and have it all meet up to where we drawn earlier with the grip. And now for some detail in here, we're just going to draw some lines, and then we're going to draw one circle here, and we can add, we'll add a little bit more detail in that one. So then two more circles up here, down here, and again I'll draw a little bit more detail inside as well. And just for here, we'll just draw a little one in there. Okay, so that's pretty much the grip part. Now to draw the stock, so this one's easier, so we're just gonna go back. Okay, and then we're going to come down, just draw kind of line like that, and now we're going to draw a rectangle here, and then we're going to draw one line here because this is going to be a little bit of details. And then we're going to extend this line, and then now here we're going to draw a slant going down. And then here's another circle, and there's a little bit of detail here. I don't know if I should draw with this. Yeah, maybe I'll leave it for now. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw the barrel. So now this part we're gonna come, and this one's gonna be at a slight angle. So we're gonna come out. Notice that it's a little bit bigger. Then we're gonna close it off. And then we're gonna extend it a little bit more. And then close it off again. And then now we're going to keep going, extend it a little bit more, close it off, and this is going to be the tip here, so it's going to be slightly bigger. Okay, so it's one big barrel, and this is actually going to be the barrel grip. So in here, draw one rectangle, and then we're going to given some details here. There's gonna be 3 lines. Just make it a little bit thicker. And then here we're gonna extend it up, and it's gonna be a little bit of slant going up. And then again, some details in here. And now we're gonna come down, pinch it in, close it off. Rectangle in here, and let's add a little bit more detail. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw the grip itself. So we're gonna draw one little rectangle in there, and now we're gonna come down with a slight curve, close it off, and then the tip will just give it a little bit rounder shape. All right, so that's the barrel grip. So now let's see, we're just gonna draw the carry handle. So right up here, we're going back up to the middle now, so we're just gonna draw a little shape like that. Okay, and now we're gonna come back. So we're gonna go from here. This is the handle. And close that off, and then we draw a rectangle, just kind of match it up to there. Giving some detail, a little bit of line there. And then at the tip right here, we'll round it out a little bit. And then looks like there's some stuff going on up here, which I'm not sure what it is. And then we're gonna draw a line right in the middle. So these are a lot of little details that we're just adding. Okay, so then we'll draw another line here. And there's gonna be a little bit of a triangle here. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. It's a lot of little details, but we'll add that in when I color it. And that's it for this grenade launcher from Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.